Hello and welcome to this channel. Being a channel that is dedicated at giving you all the necessary skills and necessary information that you need to making money online or to improving your business model, irrespective of whatsoever niche you are using or you are into. I have put up this short video that will explain some key things that you need on how to make character animation. Every detailed information to go further will be available in the description box. You can as well subscribe to the channel for more information like this that will keep your business growing and your entire community growing, where you'll be making more money for your businesses as time goes on. So we are going to be looking at some of the key things in this package. There are 625 ready to use scalable animated graphic that, as you can see on the screen. Look at all the necessary information here. No monthly fee, just a little fee maybe possibly, as we get to see it in detail. It's actually from Camtasia. This package is put together to address all business needs, just as you can see, a businessman model that covers all the different characters for animation that you need in order to boost for your adverts and a host of other. We are going to be seeing them in detail now. So here are the characters animation that you can see of different type. This is it. As I will be scrolling down, you are going to be seeing the difference. This is for a classroom environment, maybe for your teaching. You want to be making an explainer video. This is it. You go further. This is for an entertainment environment, the pool party. Let's continue. This is it. This is for another news agency. Let me play it for you to see. You can see the character animation as it is moving. That is it. But these are more. You can see this is for a DJ environment. If you're a DJ, as I have explained it several in the other channel. So you can see this is for another party again. You can see them. This is for music concert. So you see it covers virtually every niche that you can think of. Let me continue. You can see it. So these are the different samples that we have. You can see it. The list is endless. This is for the medical profession. If you're a medical practitioner and you're watching this is also for you to put up your animation while making your presentation. It makes it very easy. This is it. You can see another medical practitioner here. So when you go further, this is it. Continuous. This is another one. You can see the list is endless. This is it. Another funny character animation. I will not be able to go into detail. The link at the description will tell you everything. By the time you click, you see all the necessary feature you will need or how you go about it. So just check the link at the description box and start enjoying the offer now.